Alright guys, so this is 2023 Kia Soul, and we are going to replace this second row bottom seat and this seat belt buckle at the same time. Let's do this. Let's pick this up. There we go. The other side too. Okay, there we go. Then, I believe the newer one has only one 12 bolt hiding right here. I think that's it right there. Yep. If I do this, I got another different story here. Oops, my bad. Yep, check this out guys. Some party going on down here. Too bad we're not invited. I can able to feel it right here. Alright. This thing gonna help us? Yeah, a little bit. But I believe this is 12 mil. Let's go grab the milli right there. Got my 12 mil right here. Where are you? It's right there. I got it. Oops. Yeah. Oops. Oh, you're blinding me. There we go. There we go. Okay. Alright. Here we go. So don't lose this. We're just going to put it right there. Now we can pick this up. Also, ooh, I got socket here. What size is this? 5/16. We're gonna go ahead and remove this one as well. Okay. This car is dirty. What size is this? 14. Alright, so here's the 14. Oh, is this just one piece? I don't think so. Nope, it's not one piece. Oh, I got two sockets now. This is 9 mil and 5/16. They're dirty though. Wow. I'm just gonna throw this away. Oh, another tool right there. Okay, so let's give it time. Oh yeah, more pressure here, more sweets. Wow. The other side. Alright, it's a lot better than it was. Okay. Okay. Okay, Alright guys, so here is the new buckle. Came with 2 of them, so I think you can buy them a pair. Here is the part number. Weird you can't buy them separately, but they can be separated. Oh well. Alright. Here we go. So this one's gonna go this way. Okay, then just like this guy. Alright, really? Yeah. There we go. Now it's time for this big guy. Here is the part number. There we go. Okay. All right. So this guy goes here, maybe, if they let me. I don't like it. Okay, there we go. Not supposed to be like that. Goes there. Okay. Alright. Okay, looks like it's all lined up. Is it? There we go. And same thing here. Alright. Okay. Alright, here's that. I'm gonna go collapse this. No, better off if this one is like that. Okay. Okay, don't blame me anymore. There we go. Oh, come on. I think if I push that thing here. There we go. How am I going to help? Yep. Oh yeah, now it's lined up. No. There we go. Okay, I got it. There we go. Oh, it's only 12. I thought it was 14 earlier. There we go. There we go. Sweet. It's done. Now let's verify this. There we go. I should remove this first. Come on. There we go. Cool. They're done. Okay guys, so it's done. And it's not too bad, huh? But the real deal here is this guy right here. Yep, they chewed a lot of wires here. Hopefully I can figure this out, guys, so I can share with you in my next video. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.